Hidden above a quiet ravine in the Hudson Valley region of New York stands a steel giant most people never see. Rising nearly 200 feet above the snow-covered landscape and stretching more than 3,200 feet across Moodna Creek, this is one of the tallest and longest railroad trestles in the eastern United States. And it's been standing here since 1909. At the turn of the 20th century, freight trains struggled with slow, winding routes through the Hudson Valley. So instead of following the valley floor, engineers chose the boldest solution possible. They built straight across it. The result was this massive steel viaduct, part of a freight bypass designed to move trains faster and more efficiently. When it opened, it ranked among the largest railroad trestles east of the Mississippi. Built with more than 7,000 tons of steel, assembled piece by piece high above the ravine. Long before modern cranes or GPS, it was an engineering gamble that paid off. More than a century later, its steel frame still carries freight across the valley, through heat, storms, and more than 100 winters. Every train that crosses it weighs thousands of tons. Steel, lumber, fuel, goods, moving silently above the earth. There are no sidewalks, no guardrails, just open air nearly 200 feet below. Today, its dramatic height draws photographers, drone pilots, hikers, rail enthusiasts, and history lovers, all drawn to witness its scale firsthand. If it looks familiar, the viaduct even appeared briefly in the 2007 thriller Michael Clayton, starring George Clooney, chosen for its dramatic and isolated presence. From below, the lattice of steel rises like a wall. From above, the geometry stretches in perfect symmetry. A straight line cutting through a frozen valley that once forced trains to crawl. And unlike many relics of the industrial age, this one never became a monument. It was never retired. It never stopped working. A hidden giant. A century of endurance. The beast of the East. Still working, still crossing, still towering over the Hudson Valley.